Hello, it's Sasha Wichita. I now have both my boxes from Ipsy and I'm so excited to share them with you. It is the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus from December 2019. Keep in mind that Ipsy customizes your products each month based on your survey, so my box is probably completely different than someone else's, and if you sign up you might get completely different products as well. Ipsy now lets you select one product ahead of time and they also show you what you're getting. So it's not a complete surprise to me, but it's been a while and so I'm excited to open it up and remember all the things I'm getting. First I have the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is typically about 5 deluxe samples and around $12 a month. It usually comes in a bubble mailer like this. So in addition to your 5 deluxe samples, you also get a little cosmetic bag. This one for December is sort of the sparkly metallic. It's not super big, but it's enough to hold all the samples. In your little pouch, they also include a card that explains the products and how they recommend using them. So first I have the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I actually have this and I've actually gotten this sample before, so I probably won't use it myself, but it's still kind of valuable to me because I'm about to do a Thrive Causemetics video and I'm going to give it away to one of you. It's actually a really nice mascara and it's really cool because it's one of those tubing mascaras, so it's kind of like lash extensions where they put little tubes over your lashes, except it's completely temporary. You only do it for a day and it comes off really easily. So look for that giveaway in an upcoming video. Next we have Jolii Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte in Lavanda. Wow, this looks like super purple. I don't think I'm gonna use this. I will probably put this up for giveaway. It seems like it's a nice color, it's just really not me. I've had this happen with beauty subscription boxes quite a bit. It's like I really love this product except for not this shade. So that's something that I have noticed, not just with Ipsy, but others like BoxyCharm as well. Next I have an eyeshadow single. I've noticed with the Ipsy Glam Bag, they'll typically only have a single eyeshadow. This one is Suva Beauty Eyeshadow in Empire State. It's sort of a shimmery pink shade, I guess, kind of a champagne pink. It's not really something I use. I don't really use single eyeshadows. I really like palettes and other things that are more inspiring to me as opposed to things that are just by themselves. I'm actually quite excited about this one. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Avenue Princess. It's a deluxe sample size, but what's really cool about these is I really don't go through them very quickly, and so this will probably last me a very long time if it's a good color for me. It also has kind of a nice smell to it, like vanilla or something, kind of like some of their eyeshadows. So that one is a winner for me. And finally we have the H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment. This looks like it's some sort of moisturizer, water gel moisturizer. I'll probably try it, but I don't really think it's something that I would buy or something that I really want a sample of. So looking back over the options, it was $12. I got this free bag, which I didn't really need, but it's cute. 2 products that I really don't need and will probably give away. 2 that I'll probably try but are unlikely to become favorites, and 1 that I'm actually pretty excited about and will probably use in an upcoming video. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's $25 a month and comes with 5 full-size products. You get to pick out one of them, which is really nice. It's a pretty cute pink box, but one thing I don't like is that each month it comes with this piece of foam, which is really hard to recycle where I live, and I know it's pretty hard to recycle in a lot of cities. I'd love to see them move to more environmentally friendly options at some point. So this month, the product that I picked out was this Ittse the Fulton eyeshadow quad. It's a vegan leather case and you can customize it with different eyeshadows. It's really nice that they include 4 eyeshadows. I chose these, which are kind of a purplish nude shades. So I've got sort of a shimmery purple, shimmery champagne, shimmery taupe, and then this matte peach. These are colors that I like a lot, so I'm excited to try it out soon, and I think it's something that I'll actually use. The next thing is this Evolue Skincare Super Oil. It's generally a facial oil and it has some pretty gentle ingredients. Some people said in their reviews that it had a funny smell, but I really don't smell anything that's funny. There doesn't seem to be a lot of product in here, but I think it's something I'll definitely try still. Not sure I'll like it better than the oils that I have already, but it is fun to try new products. Next, we have a full-size Tarte Double Duty Stay Spray. It's a setting spray. I tend to use a little more natural products typically, like this Korres H2 Rose or something like that. I am excited to try this one though, because sometimes the natural ones don't always have the staying power. So this is the Stay Spray. I know a lot of beauty YouTubers have recommended this, and it is a cruelty-free brand, so it's definitely something that I'll be trying out. I ultimately don't know if I needed a full size of it. I probably won't go through this very quickly, if at all, but it does seem like something that is a good fit for me right now. Next, we have the Complex Couture Press and Set Bronzer Brush. I really love how this is a vegan bristle makeup brush, and it's actually an eco-friendly product as well. One thing that I've noticed that Ipsy does that's really cool is they do integrate some more natural and eco-friendly products with more traditional like Sephora brand products. So this brush is one of them. It just feels super nice. I could just kind of sit here and I think this is probably a brush that I would pick over others. Ipsy does tend to have a lot of brushes from a lot of brands that I haven't heard of before, but I'm really excited that this one is actually an eco-friendly product because that's something that I seek out myself. The last product is actually two, which is pretty cool. It is two lip balms from Noyah. One is the peppermint flavor and the other is the vanilla flavor. They seem to be really gentle and have great ingredients. We've got coconut oil, beeswax, olive oil, peppermint oil, and a little bit of stevia in the peppermint one. And it looks pretty similar in the vanilla as well. It says the value is about $8, and I will definitely use these and probably use them up. Ultimately, I don't know if that box was an amazing value for me because it includes a lot of things that are kind of doubles of stuff they already have or things I haven't run out of yet. But my absolute favorite part of Ipsy is that you get to pick add-ons, and they're really good. So they have full-size add-ons, which are things that you find like in the Glam Bag Plus or Glam Bag Ultimates, and they also offer you deluxe sample size add-ons. The full-size add-ons are usually about $12, and the deluxe sample size are usually about $3. So for me, that's a super good value because it's really hard to get that many Sephora points or otherwise obtain these samples unless you go to a store and ask for a sample. I think all of my add-ons here today were the $3 ones, so I was able to get this all over highlight and powder brush from Complex Couture, which again is an eco-friendly brand. They have these super soft bristles and an eco-friendly handle as well, so you can just sort of brush on your highlight or whatever with this one. Part of why I got this is I knew I was already getting this bronzer brush in my Glam Bag Plus, and I like that they match. One of the other things I got was this Tipsy Lip Oil. It's supposed to color change and be a different shade depending on the pH of your lips. So we'll kind of see how that turns out. Oh wow, that's pretty pink, isn't it? That's pretty bright. It's nice though, it tastes kind of like berries and it feels really good on the lips. The last thing I got were two of these Tarte Amazonian Clay blushes. They were $3 each, so a total of $6. These are again the deluxe sample size, just like that bronzer that I got in the original Glam Bag. I got these in the shade Party Dress and Kisses. Party Dress is more of a coral shade and Kisses is more of a pink shade. So if you see them side by side, you can kind of see the difference. I think I'll definitely use these because I love pink and coral shades. These are things, again, that I picked out for myself, so I knew I wanted them. Of all the beauty boxes I've tried so far, Ipsy has definitely been my favorite. They have a really good survey and they seem to reflect it somewhat when they pick out the stuff for your boxes. It's definitely more in depth than BoxyCharm or Sephora Play and a lot of the others I've tried. But by far the things that set it apart for me are being able to choose a product ahead of time and then the quality of the add-ons. Another really great option that Ipsy has is that they let you do a bi-monthly subscription instead of a monthly subscription. So if you feel like you get too many samples but you still want to try something on a regular basis, you could get those bi-monthly bags. If I had to pick one, I'd probably only pick the Glam Bag. I love the deluxe size of the samples. I almost never go through them all. And I love how it gives you access to add-ons that you can pick yourself. If you've tried a subscription box like Ipsy or Birchbox or any of those, what did you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.